Okay, so I'm trying to, let's see, where's this? Okay, let me go to Play Store. Yes, call.com. Second phone number, that's the app. Let's open. I just installed it now. So let's open and explore together. Yeah, it's loading. Let's wait for it. So welcome. Click continue. Yes, here's you have to change it to Nigeria or whatever country. Whatever country. You need to put your code there. So I'll just put my code right now. Okay, so let me just cover the other part of my numbers now. Which you click login. After putting your number, you click login, and then they will send an SMS. We have sent an SMS with a PIN code to your number. I've not received it yet, so let's wait a little. Any moment the number will come. So I think it has come. Autofill from message. Let's see. Alagogo, yeah. Okay, see, the code has come. So that's it. So you put your full name, put your email. All right. After putting your female and your number, this is they will send a link to your email. So let's go to my email now to pick the link. Click on the link that is sent to continue. So this is Gmail loading. Yeah, so you see call.com, that is the first email. Here you see the code. So let's open. Let's open. Let's open. So confirm. Click confirm. Click confirm. Confirm. Email success. Verification of your email is complete. Please close this page and return to the call.com app. So let's go back. Call.com, where are thou? Call.com. Yes, this is it. And then we'll go back. What's happening? Okay. Yes, this is how it works. Allow notifications. Yes. Allow. Yes. Continue. Yes. While using the app. Yes. Allow access to camera. Yes. Allow call.com to take pictures and record of calls. You need all this for the final stuff, right? Don't worry. You have to allow it. If not, you can't make full use of the app. So click the icon on the top right corner to start a chat. That is if you want to start a chat. And then secondly, get virtual phone number by clicking the icon in the bottom navigation menu. This is it. This call icon. So make a call. No. Oh, excuse me. Get virtual phone number by clicking on the icon in the menu. Yes, that's where to get your phone number from. Okay, so this hashtag, you see the hashtag attached to this write up, get virtual phone number by click the icon in the bottom navigation menu down here. You see this hashtag, you click it, you see it has changed to green. So you are now buying a new number. So let's click to buy. What name? Okay. Samuel, let's give it a name. Country. What country do you want to be calling? You know, you can just, okay. So you choose the country you want to be calling. Since it's UK, just type UK. Number type, is it a landline or phone number, mobile number? So your phone number now, you can choose. You have the options to choose the phone number you want to use. This is the option. You can choose which one. Let's just choose the first one. Duration, 1 month, you see, 9,000 naira. 3 months, 12,000 naira. 12 months for 1 year is 29,000 naira. This is one of the cheapest Sorry, I need to screenshot this because I needed to show somebody after now. 1 month, 9,900. 3 months, you see, this is it. So you just needed to show somebody this quickly. That's why I'm screenshotting it. So you make your peak. Make your peak. So 3 months is quite cheaper. 12,900. It's very cheap. Then 1 year is very, I'm telling you the truth, is very cheap. Very, very cheap. Very cheap. There's one app, I've forgotten the name. There is, I think for a year it's about 60,000 naira. So for 12 months, this is 29. No, it's very cheap. So you make your pick. Let's choose the first one for buy now. United verification and all. Confirm. By now you would have added your ATM stuff, yes, to your Play Store, to your Google. So yes, your card number, you put it, your month and year, security code, that 3 code, you put it and then you save. I've not done mine. That's why they are telling me to save it now for subsequent use. So once you input this, you are going to confirm payment. And once you do that, you have paid and you will have your number. Your number will be sent to you as text messages. It will send to the app as well. You can get it from there with ease. So that's how to get your UK phone number. I hope this was helpful. Please like this video, share this video, and the Lord will bless you. Amen. Don't forget, I'll be bringing more tips for you on the digital platform, on what you need, how you need what you need at all times. So please stay tuned.